Restoration of the Traxxas, Revo V1.
One more time and one more night without your hands, without me in your arms. Looking back, I wonder why I didn't show you how deep is my love. Let's talk about love. Tell me, what do you like? Tell me, where do you wanna see me naked? Let's talk about love. Tell me, what do you like? Tell me, what do you like? La 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 love. Let's talk about I'm gonna be better than you thought. I promise I won't jealous, you don't deserve it all. I'm gonna be better. Let's talk about
She got a body like a goddess, and she talks so sweet. It's like I can't believe I'm the one that she wanted. And if I'm really being honest, I know I could be everything she needs if she let me get on it. Yeah.
Now we will upgrade the car into SS screws and give a detailed restoration.
Oh, how you know that I'ma want you all my life. So much left to do, except for falling in love with you. So I'ma let you keep me up another time, but please don't stay the night. Don't try to change my mind, baby, please don't stay the night. I must do what's right. Don't make me ask you twice. Oh, don't stay the night. Turn it to a fight. You know I love you by my side. Just don't stay the night. I must do what's right. I'm done being polite. Oh, don't stay the night. She'll always find a way around it. I thought she'd be gone, but when I woke up in the morning, she was laying beside me. She wanted, I can never turn her down. Oh, I probably should have kicked her out by now, but you're the finest of them all. Make me lose my self-control. All I wanna do is make you feel alright. You drive me crazy, turn me on, and that's the reason I'ma let you go. Cause you and I both know that we can't keep it quiet. So please don't stay the night. Don't try to change my mind. Please don't stay the night. I must do what's right. Don't make me ask you twice. Oh, don't stay the night. Don't try to change my mind. Baby, please don't stay the night. I must do what's right. Don't make me ask you twice. Ooh, don't stay the night. Don't try to turn it to a fight. You know I love you by my side. Just don't stay the night. I must do what's right. I'm done being polite. Ooh, don't stay the night. She'll always find a way around it. I thought she
Now for the final results. Let me know in the comments that you liked the video or not.
had me. She know when she want it. I can never turn her down. Oh, I probably should have kicked her out by now. But you're the finest of them all.
Thanks for watching this video. Here are some cinematic shots. Enjoy and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.
Bust a shot, then take it